Hello guys, Jeff Girardi, CEO of ProEst with your tech tip of the month. Today we're looking at V14 and our new calendar function. So when I first get into the system, you'll see on the left we have a new option called calendar. When I click on the calendar, you'll quickly see a month's calendar. Our goal with this functionality is how do we bring that big whiteboard you have on the wall with all your due dates and all the tasks per project into an electronic format, into our ProEst cloud platform to give you complete visibility. Okay, so we quickly see a combination of bids that are becoming due, which are displayed in a bullseye, and tasks, which have a check mark. So I can quickly see in here, I see different colors as well, different colored circles. That represents different employees. Okay, so right now I'm viewing the company calendar. So if I'm a director of pre-construction and I want to see all estimators work across the company, I have it set to company and I see everyone's, right? All bids being due, all tasks that are open. If I want to look at just my departments, and department could be, that's configuration, it could be per office, per state, really up to you, or even just my calendar. So those are all options. We also have an option of syncing. I could sync this with my Google Calendar, my Outlook calendar, my Mac calendar. So we want to make sure that this is very user-friendly and functional, right? We are all managing multiple calendars these days, so we want to have a one-stop shop to make sure this data gets transferred to whatever calendar you're currently utilizing. Quickly being able to see everything that's due on one calendar was the goal here, being able to organize this data as well. Over on the left side, you can see I can go month to month. So if I needed to go to a different month, I could. I can also determine how do I want it displayed. Like maybe I want it displayed in more of a week view, or even a schedule view, which means just a big sequential list of everything that's coming due. Okay, so we can see all that data. So again, the goal here is to give you complete visibility into every pending project, everything that's coming due, all on one screen. I really hope you like it. We're very proud of it, and hopefully you can make use for it in your business today. Have a great month, and we will see you next month. Bye-bye.